for your perspective. Justice Lok Pal Singh is with us now, former Judge, Uttarakhand High Court. Justice Singh, welcome to NewsX. Does the resignation of Justice Varma close this chapter now?
Certainly, resignation halts the constitutional process but does not erase the misconduct of the judge concerned.
Okay. But there were unprecedented move earlier by the then Chief Justice, Justice Khanna. Chief Justice Khanna, he released to the public prima facie findings of the registrar and opened an investigation. Was this a precedent of transparency according to you?
It's the move by the Honorable then Chief Justice of India by giving all the reports in public domain and recommended to the government for action taken against the judge concerned. I feel that it's a good move by the then Chief Justice of India, and it is the need of the hour. There should not be any apprehension that why this report has come in public domain. Once the report was submitted by the three judges of the senior judges of the High Courts, then certainly it should come in public domain, and there should not be any reason not to disclose it.
You know, how important is it that there are no scandals as well which rock the judiciary? We see them in politics, we see scandals in the civil services. How important is it that the judiciary retain an unimpeachable public reputation, sir?
So far civil services are concerned, politicians are concerned, they are always in the within the zone of taking action against them in regard to the bribe or all allegations. But so far judges are concerned, there is an immunity to the judges. But so far this impeachment process is concerned, it is the way to take decision. And now at this stage, the resignation by Justice Varma, after almost 1 year from the date of instance, it's not proper. It will certainly ruin the integrity and integrity of the judiciary. And if some allegations came forward against him and it was in the media, ethically he should resign at that point of time. He should not wait it for the impeachment process and the inquiry conducted by the three judges under the order of the Chief Justice of India at that point of time.
My final question to you then, sir, what lessons can be learned from this entire episode? What precedents and SOPs should be set for the future of transparency and collective reputation safeguarding?
That there should be amendment in the law that impeachment process is lengthy and it takes a long time, and certain members of parliament, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, are required to sign the impeachment process. But ethically, when the allegations leveled against a judge and report has come, the judge should resign at the moment. And now, after 1 year, he enjoyed all the benefits of the sitting judge salary and all other domestic help, etc. Now resign at this point of time that and if you have gone through the letter of resignation which stipulates that it is an anguish to resign. So it's hard the people of and the people certainly commenting on it. If you go to the social media, then everyone is talking about this resignation. So it's not good for the judge to continue on the post. He should have resigned at that point of time when the allegations were leveled. Whatsoever, whether allegations were right or not, I am not going on that point, but I am going on the ethics and judicial transparency. So if the judge could have taken this step at that point of time, certainly it would have enhanced the independence of the judiciary and integrity of the judiciary.
Appreciate you joining us, Justice Singh, with your perspective on this big story. So certainly lessons to be learned from this entire episode for the judiciary And of course, now many of the guests we spoke to believe this chapter of this entire episode involving Justice Varma now will come to a close with his resignation today. All right, moving on, some breaking news coming in on the broadcast.